Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, America's war on prices is fueling inflation globally. Next, hawkers are winning. Then we comes to page number two on that. Don't recap. GST boost capex green bond. Then we comes to page number three on that. Retail credit distributable see festive surge in September. Next, Indorama join race for pet film maker Polypex. Next, Blackstone event in talk to buy stake in Suven Pharma. Next, Tata Group planned second VRS at Air India since takeover. Next, Meta's India head Ajit Mohan quits to join Revival Snap. Next, KKR Tamish Sheikh other Viva for Care Hospital in $1 billion deal. Next, demand for gold jewelry reaches pre-COVID levels on revenge buying. Next, U.S. Federal Reserve meet leaves equity investor high and dry. The next iPhone maker Wistron turns biggest investor in under PLI. Next, Imran Khan shoot in the Shin in clear assignation bid. Next, we do not see ourselves as a startup. Upgrade Skripal. Then we comes to page number 4 on that. Athero to set up rupees 600 crore a lithium ion battery recycling plant. Next, panel to seek Finmin replied to rise pension under EPFO. Next, fugitive Vijay Malvia's lawyer says he can't contract him. Next, Indian Army get patents for uniform camouflage pattern. Next, Metant operator Global Health IPO subscribed 26% on day one. Next, Supreme Court dismisses petition to rename Bombay High Court. Next, no repeat of coal shortage next year. Next, services sector pickup phase in October. Next, tax shows unlikely for India's first SGB issue. The next, captive mines may get to sell 50% output in open market. The next, CCI may take a year more to clear third antitrust case against Google. Then we comes to the page number 6 on that. US Fed leaves equity investors high and dry. Next, Turkish inflation tops 85% in likely peak for current year. Next, China service activity skids in October on COVID restrictions. Next, margin pressure competition cast a chill over Voltas. Next, Byju's plans $1 billion IPO of Akash Educational. Next, markets turn volatile post Fed's rate hike. Next, steep fall in currency in circulation. Next, record retails loan demand pushes SDFC net up 18% quarter two. Then we comes to page number 8 on that. Indonesia joins race of PET film maker Polypex. Next, demand for gold jewelry soars to pre-pandemic level. Next, loan distributable free C festive surge. Next, Wistron turns biggest investor in PLI scheme. Next, Blackstone event in talk to acquire stake in Suven Farmer. Next, Air India to float second VRS in 3 months. Next, former Pakistan PM Khan shoot in Shin in clear assassination attempt. Then we comes to the page number 10 on that. KKR TMSK Viva for Care Hospital deal likely at $1 million. Next, ATI Venture gets $25 billion in first close of Fund 2. Next, steep tax on cryptocurrency may kill industry in India. Binoco CEO. Next, IT companies hiring gig workers to address talent shortage. Next, WhatsApp launches communities 32 people video calling feature. Next, evaluation lower carbon invest in energy platform Solar Square. The next, GIC ESR Group Inc. Logistics JV. Next, smartphone shipments down 11% in quarter two despite festive push. Next, physics wala net jumps rupees 98 crore in financial year 2022 has a sales soar. Next, CCI ruling on Apple may not be has harsh as in Google case. Then we comes to page number 11 on that. RBI may take cue from BOE US Fed rate hike. Next, the ground moves beneath your feet. Then we comes to page number 12 on that. VI quarter loss to widen to 7,000 rupees 592 crore. Next, Meta India head quits to join Snap. Next, Adani Enterprises quarter to profit more than double to rupees 461 crore. Next, box office clashes may hurt single screen theater owner. Then we comes to pin number 13 on that festive demand drivers bus rentals businesses. Then we comes to page number 14 on that Microsoft to extend free tech support to Ukraine through 2023. Next, Gelcor subsidiary told to pay to European 280 million over Africa oil breaches. Next, North Korea fire ballistic missile over Japan resident who told to shelter. Next, UN rejects Russia calls for biological weapon probe. Next, US jobless claim hold near historic low despite cooling economy. Next, Sprite cutting headcount 14% has IT readies for leaner times. Next, BOE rises key interest rate by 0.75 points, largest in 30 years. Next, China stocks slide over strict COVID policy after 2-day rally. Next, US probes insider trading in pre-arranged executive stock sales. Next, Tesla Twitter overhang was only just begun. Shares fall after deal. Then we comes to page number 15 on that Gujarat Coal on December 1 to 5 ABP entry rises campaign spirit. Next, Gati look to buy out JV partner. Next, Yes Bank to close JC Flowers deal. Next, ESF to reduce IPO size, refile paper. Next, Renew plans green hydrogen hubs. Next, India has cheapest production cost. Next, new vehicle safety test from April. Next, Welspun to invest rupees 2000 crore in Karnataka. Next, government mapping laboratories to plug critical gaps. Goel. Next, Hero MotoCorp quarter two profit declines 9%. Next, go first to avail loan under ECLGS. The result will be out on 8 December and the term of the Gujarat Assembly ends on 18 February. Then we come to page number 16 on that the losing battle against phone scam. Then we comes to page number 17 on that should you pay for health insurance in installments. Next, where should I invest rupees 1 lakh to earn best return in the short term. Next, when single premium policy deny you tax benefits. Next is the double taxation on buyback of listed shares still required. Then we comes to page number 18 on that our reserve bank is not solely responsible for taming inflation. Next, Pakistan should not play China's regional game. Next, higher education needs relief from its resources crunch. Then next we comes to page number 19 on that. Then 2022 Nobel Prize for Peace will not doing to secure peace. Next, the US Fed chief has finally edged the art of communication. Next, Iran's experiment with Gandhian idea must succeed. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.